Hey Russell fam, in this video I did an experiment. I did intermittent fasting versus intermittent fasting and keto. I'll tell you what the results are in just a second. All right, so in my week 5 update, I told you that I was on vacation and it was going to be kind of hard for me not to eat certain foods and stick to my keto because I was on vacation. So I decided to do an experiment. I decided to see how my body would react if I just did intermittent fasting. I didn't go crazy with the foods I ate, but I did not watch my macros. I did not do 70% fat, 20% protein, or 10% carbs. So I did my 16-8 fast, or I did some 17-7 fasts, intermittent fasting. So the results are I gained weight. Yes, I gained 7 pounds, and I know that is not all from the foods I ate because I did not go crazy. I did not eat everything on my plate. I did not go overboard and eat that many calories to gain that many pounds. So I know that at least half of that has to be fluid and water that my body is holding on to because of the glycogen buildup. And glycogen is built up in your body from carbs that you eat. So some of the foods I ate this week are, I have my notes so I can keep up with everything. I ate pepperoni calzone, and I'm going to show you pictures of everything I ate too. So here's the pepperoni calzone. Hamburger and french fries. A 9-ounce filet, baked potato, and a house salad. A chicken sandwich and fries. A hamburger patty, mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and corn fritters. And that was the highest carb count that I took, or that I ate, but I did not eat all of this. I promise you, I was so full from eating maybe half of these. So I just took a picture of my plate before I got started so you could see what I ate, but I really only ate half of this. I had to-go boxes every time. In my last week video, I answered the question why I do intermittent fasting and keto, and I'll link that video right here. So this experiment shows me why I need to do intermittent fasting and keto, which is better for my body. Now, you do your own experiment. Some people do just the intermittent fasting and it works for them, but for me, to get the results that I was getting, I was averaging 2 pounds a week. I had been doing it this is my 6th week of doing intermittent fasting, and before that I'd done 5 weeks of intermittent fasting and keto. So I was down a total of 15 pounds. So on my week 7 update, I'll let you know how much of that weight I have lost. Like I said, more than half of the weight that I gained is fluid. It's from the glycogen buildup. It's because my body's not burning fat. It's trying to burn the glycogen that's stored up. And so that is why it is important to do keto and intermittent fasting, so you burn more fat and you have good fats. And speaking of good fats, I just had lab work done and I wanted to share those results with you. Just because some people say keto is not good for you, it makes your blood work terrible. Well, here's my numbers from my blood work where I have been doing 70% of good fats like avocados, coconut oil, cheese, staying away from processed stuff. If we fry anything, it's in peanut oil. And then we do 20% protein and 10% carbs. And so I did the blood work. My numbers are great. So I wanted to share those with you, and I have them right here in my notes. So I did my glucose, and all of these I fasted before I had my blood work. So the numbers are based on the fasting results. So my glucose was at a 70, and normal is in between 70 and 110. My total cholesterol was a 169, and the normal is 120 to 260. My HDL, which is good cholesterol, was a 63, and normal is a 25 to a 75. My triglycerides was a 110, and normal is anywhere from 10 to 200. My blood pressure was 118/72, and I've never had high blood pressure issues except for when I was pregnant with Bailey and Becca. I got preeclampsia from both of them. So that is the only time I've ever had high blood pressure issues. Normally mine is fine. So I wanted to share with you, those are my numbers from being on a keto intermittent fasting diet. I'm not a doctor, so before you start any of the intermittent fasting or ketos, I highly recommend you talk to your doctor. These videos that I'm posting are just to share my intermittent fasting journey with you. If your doctor says it's fine, I hope these videos encourage you and inform you of what intermittent fasting is, what keto is, why you need to do them, and those type of things. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. But these videos that I'm posting is my intermittent fasting journey. It is just to tell you what I'm doing, how I'm doing, and just to share it with you, because this is the lifestyle that I'm doing. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I was looking to make sure I didn't miss anything on my notes. I will leave my playlist to my intermittent fasting journey right here, so you can see all of the videos from the beginning up until last one that I posted. And so when I do my next Monday video, I will let you know if I'm back at my weight, if I'm down some more. But I have been averaging 2 pounds every week since I started. A little bit more for the first week. So I'm hoping to get this weight off and it's just fluid. So I hope you enjoyed this video again. If you're new to our channel, my name is Becky, and this is Russell's Loving Life, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!